Hey y'all, it's your girl Kina from SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of the October 2020 Simply Gilded subscription box titled Divine. If you are interested in seeing what's in this very, very interesting box, stay tuned. All right, y'all, first things first, y'all know how I do things. I usually will go by the order of what's in the card, what's on the menu card. Okay, fair warning, you guys know how I do things. I do show the mystery item in my unboxing. It will be held until the end as it's the last item on the list. You will be given fair warning before I show the mystery item. So if you're not interested in seeing that, please make sure you're paying attention so that you can click off of this video. Thank you for watching. So let's get right into this. This is the Divine box from Simply Gilded, October 2020. Now, the menu card says that we've got a foiled journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, vellum and foil sticky notes, B6 stitched binding notebook, an engraved black gel ink pen, a vegan leather pouch, acetate and vellum sheets, vinyl die cut stickers, a Sakura microperm pen, and a mystery item. So let's go through this. First up, we've got our foiled journaling card. It has, now let me stop. Okay, guys, when Irene went over this box and pretty much just showed it to the world, I was a little iffy to me. Maybe it might have been, just the mood I was in while I was watching it. Who knows? This was weeks ago. And I was a little concerned about whether I would like this box. Now that I have it in my hands, I'm able to see the colors on this stuff. I'm happy. You'll see. Okay, so we have our foiled journaling card. Next, we have our designer washi tapes. For those of you that are not new here, you guys know that I am subscribed for the additional 6mm add-on. So we've got a lot of washi here to go over. But let's go ahead and get this rolled out so you guys can see it. As you can see, we've got these pinks, these mauves, these blues, the browns, the gold foil, and this Galaxy Baby. Galaxy Baby is what I've nicknamed her. And then here on this navy blue one, this dark blue one, it's got the pink, the light pink holographic, and you'll see it later in the kit, but I really want to get these rolled out so you guys can see. So let's get that done. Okay, y'all, so I wanted you guys to be able to see these washi tapes rolled out. This is the main kit. We've got the blue with the light pink holographic moon phases here. Here we have this brown that's all over the kit with the gold butterflies and stars. Here we have this galaxy. It's like a dusky sky kind of situation here, and I really like this with the gold constellations. Here we have an ombre of sorts, of different shades of pink with the gold bows. Let's get this flipped the right way. And then we've got a pink here with the gold crescents. And then we have another ombre situation. It's like a cloudy sky to me. And it's got stars, hearts, and confetti here. And all 5 of these are in the gold foil. Here is the 6mm add-on. We've got the brown, or a chocolate brown with gold bows. We've got like a cream shade here with the stars and are there any hearts there? There are hearts in that one. We've got the blue with the gold stars, and we've got the brown again up here with the gold crescents. So that is, let's not do that. That is the washi from this month's kit. Next, we have this month's sticker kit and seals. And how about we flip it the right side up? So I'll go through this quickly. We have our date covers, full boxes. We've got some headers here: meeting, appointment, washi Wednesday, groceries, meal plan, cleaning day, laundry day. We've got some gold bows and some checklists here and some icons. This page has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full boxes. We've got some more headers with the brown and gold. Y'all know how I feel about gold. I just can't express myself today. We've got some brown headers here. They have a white bow, but if you can look closely, I'll zoom in for you. It has the gold foil, like the leaves here, the plants here on this are on this one as well. And it only goes through the gold. Like if you look at the blue ones with the gold bows, you won't see any of the plants on those. So this is pretty interesting. We've got some flags, some more bows, and some butterflies. I'm here for all of the butterflies, okay? Next, we have the mini sheet with our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half boxes, another full box. This is giving me all the boho multi-strand necklace vibes. I cannot wait to use that box. And then we've got 3 checklists, 1 full and 2 half checklists. And then we've got some deco up here. Next, we have the seals for this month. They are not bows. This is very interesting. I'm here for the crystals and the colors of this kit. I never would have thought to put these colors together, and I love how they came out, especially with the gold accent. So here we have our date hearts, our heart icons with the dates in the pink iridescent foil. And we've got some more work home play stickers. These came, I want to say these were in the one of those boxes. Sheesh, I can't even remember. I think they came in the March box. The Dahlia, was that March or May? That was May. Who knows? But we have seen these before. They are now in the pink iridescent foil. So that is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. This month, I won't say they're new, but they're new to me. I haven't seen them in a Simply Gilded box. We have these vellum and foil sticky notes. So let's take a look at them. I know they look a little weird here because, you know, the sticky part is right up here. And of course, that sitting on top of each other is going to make it look bulkier than the rest of the sticky notes. So let's get these off. From Irene's Live, she did say, yep, she did say that you would need to use a microperm pen, which she has included in the kit. So this is really pretty. And this is the microperm pen that came in this month's kit. No smudging, none whatsoever. And this is a 0.01 tip on this microperm pen. It is black. It is ultra fine, as I just stated. And these are this month's vellum sticky notes. This is this month's B6 stitch binding notebook in the brown with the gold foil. We have our crystal and our plants here again. And on the back, we've got 2 butterflies and it says dream. Now, I don't open these because I don't use anything B6 as of right now. And I want to be able to give them away at some point if I decide that I know I'm not going to use them. So I don't take the plastic off of them. I have every single one from every box since January of 2020. So this is the B6 stitch binding notebook. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, I will have to say is my favorite part of this month's box. The pen, baby. This is the engraved black gel ink pen. It is in the brown. It has the gold flecks in here with the gold butterflies, excuse me, not gold flecks, glitter flecks. And it has the gold butterflies, gold hardware. Of course, there's the Simply Gilded bow and the logo there on the side, on the cap. It is black ink, as I previously stated. It does write incredibly smooth. I love my Simply Gilded pens. You guys know how I feel about my Villa Beautiful and my Simply Gilded pens, and I love these. So my Villa Beautiful pens will go in my planners wherever I go, but my Simply Gilded pens don't leave the house. And I think either way, if either one of them disappeared, I'd likely have an entire meltdown. I was going to say something different. We're going to keep it PG here. So this is this month's engraved black gelling pen. Next, we have this vegan leather pouch. So I can't quite put my name on this color. It's gorgeous. It's got a shine to it, a coating to it. Let's open it up. It does have the gold hardware. Inside, you'll find the main pocket. There's a side pocket here. The Simply Gilded label in there, and it's vegan leather. It smells like leather to me, and it's got two D-ring hooks here on the side. If you have an extra strap somewhere, you can hook that onto. This is awesome. This is this month's Leather Good vegan leather pouch. Next, we have this month's acetate and vellum sheets. So let's go over this vellum really quickly. Baby, I really, really, really wish we could get some A5 size stuff, because I can't think of anything to do yet with this in my planner. And I would love to find something to do with them because they're piling up. So that's the vellum. Here we have the acetate. We have all of the signs here in the, what is this? The rainbow foil, holographic foil. Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. I said it, don't come for me. So these look really interesting layered. Look at that. Interesting. I just would really like to find something to do with them. And that sucks. Okay, so this month's acetate and vellum sheets. Next, we've got some vinyl die cut stickers. These guys, I mean, they're vinyl. I'm getting ready to say they're so soft. Obviously, you know that. So we got 5 this month. We've got this lavender color here with the rainbow holographic foil, our crystal, and our plants. We've got a cat here in the brown with gold foil and a crescent on her forehead. We've got the brown butterfly with the gold foil. We've got a lighter shade of purple here with the gold foil. And we've got the blue. We've got a moon and a bunny with a bow around his neck. That's really cute. So these are the vinyl die cut stickers this month. And of course, I've already shown you guys the Secura Micro Perm pen that comes in this month's kit. Now, next, I am getting ready to show the mystery item. If you are not interested in seeing the mystery item, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like the video when you leave and comment if you'd like to drop me a note, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. But if you're interested in seeing the mystery item, boom, we got a pen. It is fairly, I don't want to say it's weightless, but it's definitely got a weight to it. We got a gold crescent, y'all, with the Simply Gilded bow on it. I'm trying to get it off the backing here, but as you can see, your girl is struggling. Come on off there, please. There we go. So we've got the pink heart back there for the backing. And this month's mystery item is this gold pen here. Isn't that cute? I can't wait to find somewhere to stick that. Somewhere on some planner. Yes, ma'am. All right, y'all. So this is the October 2020 Simply Gilded subscription box titled Divine. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.